So I wanted to make a video on how to fix quest, problems and with clothes and other things. So like let's say you bought a safe for work avatar and you want to make it not safe for work. Or you have a problem on quest and don't know how to fix it with clothing or toggles or whatever, right? Specifically with turning them on and off. For instance, with my clothes here, I want to be able to take the socks off, but I don't have a toggle for it, and they're part of the body, so I can't really take them off, Something I should mention is this won't work if your meshes are using the same material. So for instance, right here, this top only uses one material, while the body uses 11, because it's, counting for the socks, the hair, the ears, all that stuff, right? Which I'm not sure if these socks will even work with this, but we are gonna find out because I have not done it on this avatar. So what you want to do first is right click in the assets, go to create material, and then you can just do Invis, whatever you want to call it. You don't even have to call it something. And then you click the shader, standard, VRChat, mobile, particles, multiply, so that it makes it fully invisible and you don't add a texture. This works on quest and see, it doesn't work. And on PC. So I guess we won't do it on the socks because she doesn't have legs. And what you do is go to animation, you click right here, you can say a lot of different things, and then you go down, and I guess we can just do a top, and name this top on, and then right here we put we should first click on the top we want, and I'm gonna do that so she doesn't go naked when I do it, and then you just click select material there, you right click that so that you know where it is. I'm gonna do Control D so that I can just drag this up here, and then I'm gonna make this shirt, it's not, okay, drag this in here, make it invisible, and then here is my top toggle. Right here. And then you click this red dot, project, and then you drag this down here, and then animation, and you turn that off, project, then you can go back to the top, replace it with the actual material, go to animation, make a new animation, top off, the record button again, project, and then Invis. Turn that off. But I turn it off by clicking preview, so I don't have to like click both buttons again. And then let's go to her thing here and click the menu right here. I clicked her name and then scroll to the bottom, click expressions to open it, and then click menu. You can also double click it to open it. She already has a clothing tab, but I'm gonna just add it in here. Click add control, new control, top, toggle. I think she has images. I don't remember though. It looks like she doesn't. It's fine. And then next step, I'm gonna click on parameter here, and then click add, and put this as top. Make sure she doesn't have one named that already. Perfect. Make sure it's on bool if it's a regular toggle. Top. And then I can turn that off. Okay. The next step is that we open the animator. If yours doesn't open to this, where it's not the already made ones aren't there, you can go to your scene and then open playable layers here. I already have it open. And on the FX, there should be a FX layer already in here. And then you click that, it'll highlight the one here. And you go to Peaches and drag and drop this into controller, or just double click it and it will open. You should also put it into the controller for the animation. I forgot to mention that. Go to Animator, this little plus button, scroll down, and then I'm going to rename this to top. And then this little gear, and change it to 1. And then I'm going to make a parameter called top as well. Make sure the parameter in here is the same as the parameter in here. Otherwise, it won't be able to signal to each other that this is the correct animation. Go in here. You do what you usually do for toggles. Because I want the top on when it loads in, I'm gonna do top on and then top off. Make transition. Oh, I missed. Right, click this little one. Turn has exit time off. This plus and top. And then do the same thing for this one. Top. But this time you want to turn the true to false. You do the exact same thing even if top off was the entry and top on was the, secondary one that you put in. I believe that's actually it. That fixes that problem if you have that for request, or if you just want to make it not safe for work. I'm pretty sure this one is safe for work. At least it said it is, but it has these ones. Okay. It means that it doesn't take the underwear off. Yeah, okay. Now I understand. Most avatars it will work for, but any avatars like this one where they removed parts that they weren't gonna show, like here, or they removed the legs for the socks. Typically they do that to save polygons and for tracking, so they don't have to worry about the clippage going through the legs, you know what I mean? This can also work if you want to make your avatar go completely invisible on Quest, because this is Quest compatible. invisibility. So if you do an animation, literally the exact same thing, except when you are doing the recording, you're putting the invis on literally every material. The easiest way to do that is to just click on the meshes themselves and put them in here. That's what they mean by how it's safe for work. They literally cut through certain parts of the body. So some avatars are like this, where they remove the parts of the body to save polygons or to make it safe for work. But I've noticed most avatars nowadays don't do that. They shrink it, or, you know, their magical ways. Okay. I hope this helped. If you do need any help, then you can add me on Discord or join my server that also has free avatars that you can do what you want with. All of the credits are in there, all that.